Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. One of my technicians sent this phone to me in this condition. As you can see that the CPU was removed. I asked my technician what happened to the phone. According to him, he told me that the phone was running perfectly, but there was no graphics. There was no backlight, no graphics. So he thought that the problem was coming from the CPU. My dear technician, the problem is not from the CPU at all. Check this out. He tried to reball, it's not working, and he told me that he used to watch my video, that he follow my video and then do this. I told him no, 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 no. This is not how to troubleshoot. That means you don't know how to troubleshoot. You have to learn how to troubleshoot so that you won't do this again. So he told me, please, 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 that I should try and fix the phone, that he's going to buy a drink for me. I was happy, so I proceed with it. So the first thing is for me to desolder. You can see right now one of the solder is. My dear technician, anytime that you receive phone from anybody, please make sure you do proper checking. Okay? Check very well. Check for physical damage. Do troubleshooting before you start working. My dear technician, I always told you guys make sure you do all the necessary things before you remove any component. Check this out. I take my time to desolder. You can see very clean, very neat. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Take your time to do this. So now I want to reball. Right here you can see my magnetic tools, and on top you see my tissue paper and the IC on top. So the next thing is for me to place my stencil. Make sure that you're using original stencil and everything is good, set, check the alignment and everything. Make sure it's good and perfect before you start your work. Before you start applying the solder paste. My dear technician, I will be done, I will be done, I will be done. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. You can see I'm sitting. So make sure you set your own. Please set your own. You can see I'm setting my own. So I want you to set your own. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. I want you guys to take your time to do yours. You can see apply soda paste. You can see I'm applying soda paste. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to clean and start grading the balls. Okay, check this out. I want to grade the balls now. Check the balls, check the balls, check the balls, check the balls, check the balls. Oh, I love this. I love this, my dear technician. If you see any error, make sure you correct it. Okay, if you see any error, you can see clean. I love this, my dear technician. You can see I see error, so I corrected it. I'll go again. Have to complete. Check how the thing is. Very simple, no stress. You can see how it is. Very simple. I want you to do yours and get the exactly same result. You can see that I'm done and everything is good. The next thing now is for us to check the results. Check this out. You can see clean. My dear technician, clean. Check this out. Clean. Clean. Let me show you guys. Check this out. Clean. No error. Just one time. My dear technician, just one time. You know, according to my technician, he told me that he tried to reball it, several times, but not working. But I'm doing the thing just one time. Anyway, it's because I know. But I told him to, learn this thing. Anyway, good. Maybe it's learning, I love that. So guys, you can see that I'm working on this. Actually desolding. My dear technician, I will be done, I will be done, I will be done. Please make sure that you desolder very, very well. Just take your time and do it, okay? Don't rush. You can see we have a RAM near the CPU, so you have to be very, very careful, okay? Anything that you're doing here, you have to be very, very careful. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to apply flux. I apply a little flux. Check this out. This flux that I'm using is very powerful flux. Like, it's special for CPU work like this. So it's not any kind of flux you use. You understand? If you want to know the type of flux that I'm using, let me know in the comment section so that I will drop the picture and the name of the flux so that you can get it. Okay, check this out. So the next thing is alignment. You have to set it to align with the solder pads on the PCB. If not, it will fail, and when it fails, the phone will not turn on. So it's important for you to do this. Take your time to do it. Don't rush. Like I used to say, don't rush. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, this is the important part. And if you make any mistake here, you're going to start afresh. So please, please, please don't make any mistake. You can see. So after this, the next thing is for me to check the backlight, because according to him, he told me that he changed the backlight IC. You can see the backlight IC. The problem is not even from here, sure, but he tried to change it. You can see we have open circuit right here, and I have to remove the backlight IC and then put it again. Before I put it again, I have to grate some solder balls so that the backlight IC will connect very well, because I don't want the open circuit to show up again. So guys, check this out. My dear technician, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. My dear technician, I'm taking my time to do this. If you have any question, like I said before, let me know in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Please, when you're heating the backlight IC, please control your heat to control your airflow and the heat, because we have a big IC near this light IC, which is the memory. If you overheat the memory, I'm sure you know what will happen. Either the memory will corrupt, or the memory will not even function again, and the phone will not even turn on. So right now the phone is turning on, but there's no lights. Okay, there's no graphics, which was the main issue of the phone. That was the main problem of the phone before my technician removed the CPU, and could not be able to fix it back. So now you can see I want to grade the solder balls. If you have question, please let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Check this out. You can see I'm heating up because I want to grade the solder balls. If you have any question, okay, feel free. Tell me something in the comment section. My dear technician, I love your question. Drop question about anything that you want to ask me. Feel free. Drop it in the comment section. I'll be very, very happy to see your comment. Please drop it. Check this out. My dear technician, I'm done grating the solder balls. So the next thing is for me to place the IC right there and then heat up. You can see I apply a little flux and I'll heat up. Check this out, because I want proper connection. Okay, I don't want open circuit. I want the IC to connect very, very well to the phone. To the phone what? PCB. To the phone what? PCB. My dear technician, check this out. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. 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 My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. You can see I take my time to to place it very well to make sure it's connected. So the next thing is for me to go straight to the graphics IC, which is right here, and you can see where the graphics is. Check this out, and here we have the sound IC and we also have the graphics IC. So what I'm going to do right now is for me to remove this graphics IC. Is not working. The graphics IC is not working. I'm sure you know the graphics IC name. It's called LUB. You know, we have O at the end. Some people normally call it Lubu or Lumbo or Loop. Is Loop. Okay, that O just decide for you to place it. So take note so that you don't make mistake. Okay, so it's loop. Take note, it's loop. Okay, check this out. So right now I want to remove it. You can see I want to remove it. So you have to be very careful. As you can see, the both coil shake a little bit. Anyway, that's normal. So just have to be very careful. So check this out. So the next thing is for me to heat up and then remove some of the shorted lead. You can actually put a new graphics IC without actually reboiling. You can do it without reboiling. Just desolder this. Okay, desolder this. You can see, just desolder this. You have to take your time to do it. Okay, just take your time to do it. Don't rush. So you can see, so this is a new one. So right now I want to put it, I put it. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Just take your time to do it. Make sure you check orientation so that you don't make mistake. It's very important. Just take your time to do this. Okay, I'm heating up. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this, my dear technician. You have to be very careful. Check this out. Make sure you shake a little bit. Just shake it small. You can see it's connected right now. It's connected successfully. My dear technician, I'm done with this, with the graphics. The next thing is for me to turn on the phone. Check this out. Confirm. This is the phone. As you can see, confirm. I'm showing you right now for you guys to see that this is the phone. You can see this is the phone. You can see where I changed the graphics IC. This is the phone that I reboiled the CPU and mount it back. So now I want to turn on for you guys to see that it's back on. The phone is working. I reboiled the CPU and mount it back. I removed the backlight IC and mount it back due to open circuit. And I also changed the graphics IC. Okay, so now this phone is back to life. As you can see, it's back to life 100%. You can see the phone is loading. So the phone is taking time to load. So I will wait so that you guys will see. The phone is working right now. It's working right now. The technician is very happy. He's very happy because the phone is back to life and the customer will not disturb him again. Before he was telling me, my customer, is calling me. Now it's working. You can see now it's working. So bring your phone to us. Let's fix for you. Okay. I love you guys and see you in my next video.